Emotional health is critical. We want our kids' school and social experiences to be celebrated, not endured. Our gifted children should flourish in their community and school environments. However, some gifted children differ in terms of their emotional and moral intensity. Some are sensitive to expectations and have big feelings. Others struggle with perfectionism, fear of failure, or imposter syndrome. Many do not share interests with their peers, resulting in isolation or being labeled as a nerd. Gifted students truly excel when they are supported, not just by us, their parents, but by intellectual peers and other connections, guiding and teaching them how to manage their emotional health. So at Gifted Minds Beyond the Classroom, we will learn about how to help our kids relate to their goals in a healthy way and connect with their community. Because when kids develop emotional health skills, they can truly excel in and beyond the classroom.